up, guys? Another position taken on USD JPY. Crazy negative right now, which is normal. 20 past 2. Just get the date up over here. On the 2nd of August, as you can see. And minus 159 at the moment. USD JPY. As you can see there, USD JPY on my live account. And I'm anticipating this to go back up quite a bit. So let's see what happens later. I'll send you guys some details and some updates as we get along. Alright, I'll speak to you later. Evening traders, I just thought I'd update you guys on that UJ position that I took this afternoon. As you can see, it's currently up $1,000. It's 8:33. Let me just prove to you the time and date. Here we go, 2nd of August. 8:35 p.m. I just came back from dinner, so I'm checking up on the trades. That's what the chart looks like right now on the H1, and it's on my live account, as you can see there. For the guys asking for my full name, it's just a bit blurry. Alright, cool. So yeah, it's looking quite good. Tomorrow is NFP, non-farm payroll. I don't know if you guys are trading live money, but I'm anticipating strength on the dollar based on what it's doing right now. I have my reasons for it, so once you get involved with the course, I would obviously show you why. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just thought I'd update you on that very quickly. And this is all done based on the strategy that I teach all the students, and something very easy for you to follow through and apply to your own trading. Right, so I shall chat to you tomorrow, but this is basically the update I thought I'd share with everyone tonight. Have a good evening, guys. I'll speak to you soon.